This should be quite the combination. 60-year-old motor, 1961 to 2021. 60 years of raw power, old technology meets new technology. We're gonna pair these together and see how this solar runs and how this big bad boy here can power this boat. So stay tuned. So let's look under the hood and see what this thing has to offer. There we go. 2 pistons, 40 horsepower, fuel system. '61 Big Twin. Sleek design. Look at those contours, the shape, the style, the size of that motor. It has the power and the elegance written all over it. Just imagine yourself cruising up the river with this bad boy clamped on the transom. The wind blowing in your face and the hair cascading backwards like a movie star. One touch start that will change your life forever. Turn the throttle and hear those 2 big pistons roar. One twist of the throttle and let that jet power put you on step. It was bound to come and now it's here. Powered for performance. Don't be boring. You could be one of these people that has the most fun. Let me take you on a revelation ride. Don't be a chump, be a champ. Evinrude, the choice of champs. Who wouldn't want $1 million fun? Get your season's ticket for worlds of fun.